Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make a Hangman game. So here I am using the editor Python IDLE 3.9 version. So here I am going already installed my IDLE Python. So if you didn't install, so I will post a video about how to install IDLE. For now, search the IDLE and I have installed here 3.9 version and open it. So this is the Python IDLE. So here now we have to create a new file. Further click on file and new file. So then you can create a new file. So you have to save it in a location. So for that, go on file and save as. Give it your location. So here I want to save my file in the desktop on videos about games. So here in this folder I want to save my file and now give it a name for it. So here I am giving the name of my file was Hangman Game _game.py. For every Python file, the .py extension is important. So here I have given the file and save. So here is our game file. So in this we have to write our code, and in this IDLE shell we have to run our code. So here is an example about length function. So here in this game we are going to use this. For that, a equal to hello world, it is a string. So now I am going to use the length function, print length of the a. I mean it will print the length of the a and click on enter, so you will get 11. It will be count all the characters which we given in our string. So D, L, R, O, W, and the even including space, it will be countable. So including space, there is 11 characters. So this is the length of our a variable. Okay, this is a function which we are going to use in our Hangman game.py. Now let's start our Hangman game. So this is the beginning. So here we have to give a name input. So it want to take our name. Further, create a variable name equal to input. Okay, and next you have to write here a string. I want to write here enter your name, and it will take our name. So enter your name semicolon, and this is about the name variable, and here I want to print the name. So print name, and here I want to also give the welcome and which we given in the name. For that I want to give the string here. So welcome, and which we given the input, it will be show after the welcome. So this is about it, and print welcome, and the name which we have given, it will be printed. So this is about the print, and next print brackets, and the double quotes is must for string. If you next it is the design. So I want to give something like design for it. Now I want to run it. So for that you have to give this, you have to save it. So click Ctrl and S and go and run module. So you'll give this. So it will ask your name and type Priya and welcome Priya. So this is our design. So I want the design and more lines. So for that it has a string operation. So it is go on, click it in this star symbol, and I want to print the 2 lines, and 20 times I want to print the 2 lines string. So and next our game code is in 10 attempts we have to find the word, I mean we have to guess the word. For that I want to give a message for it. So print try to guess the word less than 10 attempts. So in less than 10 attempts we have to guess the word, otherwise we lose our game. So this is our game, and now let's run it and see. So for every run moment we have to save, we have to click Ctrl S, and then only we have to run it. Now we are going to see our game algorithm. First, what we have to build. To write the comment in Python, we have to use the hashtag symbol, and now first one is creating a function, and then so in the next step is we have to assign variables, so which we want to use in our game. So assigning variables, and the next one is creating a while loop. And now the body of the game, sorry for the mistake, the body of the game, losing the game. So here the losing part, when the game loses, what happened, we will going to discuss in this part, and when the game wins, we will going to discuss in the last step. Okay, so now let's start our coding. So this is about our algorithm which we are going to do in our game. So now let's run it, and next we will write our code. Okay, so for that, so you have to save it and then enter your name. I want to give a short name for it, Priya, and welcome Priya. So here I have printed the 2 lines 20 times, 40. So try to guess the word in less than 10 items. So this is about our first part of our game. Now let's start creating a function. So to create a function, we have to use our keyword in 33 keywords of Python def, and I want to give the name of our function is hangman and brackets and semicolon, and the indentation is very important here. Okay, and now we are going to assign variables in our game. So for that I want to keep it in a line, and now this is the indentation in the when we given the semicolon, we have to maintain a indentation. Okay, so I want to create a variable here, word, which the guessing words and list. For that, the square brackets in the list data type here I am using for it. Words like keyboard, mouse, and so on, aeroplane, and some words which you want. Or for now I am just giving some words. After that I will give all the words. For now I am just checking it. Okay, so here I am giving some words. So after giving some words like computer, monitor, and after that I want to give enter. So here for every in list we have to give double quotes for it, so then only it will considered as a list. And then I want to give some more words, and after that we will see the process. Some more words here I am going to take is rocket, aircraft, whatever words you can take. So here I am just taking some words. So if I take so many words, it will take lot of time for video. So for that I am giving only some words. For the here I am using the random. For that we have to import random. First, now why I want to import random is, first I will give how to import it. So it is a module, it is already inbuiltly, it will be in Python. So import random, and then you have to use it here, random dot choice. It will take in this list, and one time when we run, it will take one word, and randomly it will generate this words or game. So for that I have given here random dot choice. For that random dot choice will be in a square circle brackets, and next I want to print the word. So then we can see how the random dot choice will work. Print word. So here now let's run it. Before that we have to call our function, because whatever we written in our function, it will run only when we call the function. For that here I have called hangman. So this is the way how to call a function, and then the end of the game, print thank you for playing the game. So after we will make our game completely. For now just see it, and next we will create the while loop, and now and after that we will see the game process. Okay, for now thank you for playing the game, and next save it, Ctrl S, and run it. Run module, and enter your name. For shortcut here I am using my name as Priya, and welcome Priya, and try to guess the word in less than 10 items. So here I have given monitor as the word, and thank you for playing the game. So now let's run it, and it will give randomly or normally, we will check it. Now and once again Priya, and here we have given rocket as the word. Okay, this is how the randomly choice will work. So here we have given one time monitor, one time rocket. So in this list which we have given, it will take the randomly. So now let's delete print word, and we have to create more variables for it. So valid letter, it is a variable, so which the input have to take. So the inputs are A B C D F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z, and also we have to take capital A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. So here these are the valid letters. If we give something like underscore or any other symbols, it will won't take. For that we have using that. And now we have to take turns. So in less than 10 turns we have to finish our game. So that's why here I have created a variable turns equal to 10. And next, guess made, I mean which we type or which we guess. For that here I am giving guess made equal to empty. So then which we guess the word, so it is right and it will be added into the guess made. So we will see in that all the algorithm on the main body part in the while loop. Okay, for creating while loop, while if length of the word is greater than 0, I mean if the length of the word is still remaining, so this function would be run. I mean if the length of the word is greater than 0, again the guess will be given to our, so then we have to try it in less than 10 attempts. So for that here I am giving main equal to empty, so it is also empty. It will add when we try the, I mean guess the word letter. Here indentation is most important. For that here I have given all the main and the all will be in the line. So here I want to print guess the word. So it is in the string, sorry I had forget the keeping double quotes. So guess the word, and now space for okay, this is print guess the word. So here we have to take the guess as input. So here creating a variable guess equal to input, so it will take input from the letter which we are guessing for finding of the word. So here we have to keep main, I mean which we guess the word, I mean which we give input, it will add it to the main. So we will see all the process and the after forward. So for now this is giving the input and taking input the which we want to guess the letter. Okay, so here we are going to create a for loop for it. So for letter, so it is a variable for letter in word, if which we guess the letter it is in the word, then if letter in guess made, so then I have to add main. So here we have already created main is empty, so which the letter we guess is in the word, so then the letter will be added to our main. Or if it is not in the guess made which we guess the letter, so else main will be as before, I mean else semicolon enter, so indentation, then main is equal to, I mean the main will be remain as before. If the guess we given is wrong, the main will be before as main. Or if the letter which we guess is right, it is in the word, then it will be add to the main. I mean if apple A is we guessed A, then it will be added. If we guess K, then it is wrong, so that's main will remain as before. So this is what the body of the game. So I want to copy it and I want to paste it before, because the body of the game is above it. So enter and control V, then the body of the game is completed now. So now let's start the losing of the game. So now it should be in the same line or order. So if guess in word, I mean which we guess the letter is in the word, then the guess made equal to guess made plus guess. I mean which we guess the letter will be added to the guess made which we have assigned in the assigning variables part. So guess made is equal to guess made plus guess. So now this is not a losing part, so this after this we will start losing part. So guess made plus guess, and then now let's delete the losing game for from there, and we will start a new one. So 1 second, so copy it and delete it, and now let's paste down here. If guess not in word, I mean if the game loses part, if guess not in word which we guess is not in our word, so then the turns equal to turns minus 1. So every time the guess is not in the word, it will turn will be minus 1. So here we have given 10 turns, so 10 turns will be automatically minus 1. And so now let's write the logarithm for it. So this is the losing part of the game, so losing part of the game, control V, and if turns is equal to, it is a equal operation operator, sorry, it is a equal operator, and double equal, so if turns equal to 9. So here I already discussed about operators all in my Python video, so if you didn't see, once check it. And print, oops, you have 9 turns are left, or oops, 9 turns are left. And then next, so here I want to draw a body for 9 turns head, and next one body, shoulders, head, all I want to give a something like a human man. So for that I am here taking a design something like 9 lines. So okay, these are the 9 lines. For that I am writing here 9 lines here I have used. So the odd number is best because we can take it in the middle. So print, so here I am going to give a head in the middle, so 4 spaces, and the head, I mean O here I am taking for head, and 4 spaces and double quotes and bracket. Okay, this is about head. And now this is okay. Now let's copy it, and we will write for turns 8. So if turns is equal to, so let's change it into 8, and here also oops, 8 turns are left. And next here we have to draw, it is a head. Now we'll draw a body. Okay, for that print double quotes as well as 4 spaces, and here we have a shift button and we have to press here. Okay, now this is the line. Next, sorry for this, and 4 spaces and double quotes and brackets, so we have to give a indentation perfectly. Okay, and now this is a body. Okay, sorry, hashtag body. Next let's copy it, and next we will paste for 7 turns. If turns is equal to 7. Okay, for that we have to copy it and enter backspace. If turns is equal to 7, let's change it into oops, 7 turns are left. Okay, and next here we have to draw legs for the body, as I mean human, so double quotes, and next slash. Here I am giving only 1 leg. In the 6 turns I will give the second leg, so double quotes and bracket, and this is about the legs. Okay, next let's copy also the 7 turns, and we paste it into the turns is equal to 6. So copy it, Control C, and paste, Control V. backspace and control V. So if turns is equal to 6 and oops, 6 turns are left. So here I want to draw a second leg, so a second slash, and now let's copy it and paste it for if turns is equal to 5. So this is all about the losing part of the game. So if one turn will be minus, this will be executed. So if turns is equal to 5, and next here I want to draw hands for it. So half of the part of the hand, I mean shoulder to the knee of our hand, and after we will draw some more. I mean here I am using so many parts in the hands, I mean 2 parts I had divided the hand. So we will see that, okay. And next hand we will give in the next, I mean if turns equal to 4. Okay, and now let's copy it and paste it. Control V. If turns is equal to 4. Okay, if turns equal to 4, oops, 4 turns are left, and here we have to draw a second hand. Okay, now let's copy it and paste it if turns equal to 3. So here I have copied only fifth turns only I had changed it here. So the 3 turns, and here second hand. Okay, and now let's give here, sorry, copy, okay, and paste it. So here we have to give 2 turns. So here we have to change our human body. So first we will write it and then we will change, okay. So here we have to give and shoulders, so and full hands, okay. So now we will give the full hands for the human bodies. So here we have to give a full hand. Okay, and this is the way how to give a full hand. And now if turns is equal to 1, so here I didn't copy the turns to, so that's why. So copy the turns to, Control C, and enter, backspace, Control V. Now let's turn into a turns 1, and here also oops, 1 turns are left. So here I have to change. Okay, I want to give if turns is equal to 0. So enter, and turns equal to 0. So here we have to give the shoulders. I'm giving you here the underscore. Okay, the 2 underscores we have to give here. So this is a hand and a human body here I had created, which the game was lost. So here we have to change the number, turns equal to 0, and here also turns equal to oops, 1 turn are left, and here 0 turns are left. I mean no turns are left, sorry. We can keep 0 turns are left or no turns are left, no problem. So print you have lost your game, or you lose the game. Okay, so this is about the losing part. And then break, because which we have created, it is all are created in our while loop. So while loop have to be break, I mean stop, so then only the game will be end. So here I am using here no turns, and then if I will write here break, then only the game will be ended, the while loop will stop. Okay, this is about the ending of the game by the losing. And now let's give when the winning the game, how to stop the game. Okay, so Control C, and above we will write about the winning of the game. So here we will write the winning of the game, enter, and now let's start the winning of the game part. So if main is equal to word, I mean which the main which we given is equal to word, I mean it's reached to the word which we want to guess, so I mean which we find out the word, then print word which we have given. Okay, and next enter. Print you have win the game or you win the game, anything which you likes. So print double quotes, you win the game or you have won the game. Exclamatory mark, and now let's end the bracket and break. So if we win in the game, so it will be give a print word and you have won the game, and it will be give like this. Okay, so here something valid letters had index error, so just I will find 1 second, I will find it. So here I have missed the same line, so that's why this is the problem. So we have to maintain the same. So 1 second, after giving the same line we will run again. Okay, now let's run out the game, save it and run module. So enter your name. So here I want to give my name. So now I want to give my full name, Shanmukha Priya, and now click on enter. So then it will give welcome Shanmukha Priya, try to guess the word in less than 10 attempts, guess the word. So this is our word, so I am giving A, 9 turns are left. E is there in our word, so U also is there in our word, P is also is there in your word, so T, and I want to check, okay, I am thinking it is a computer or something like that. So B is not there, 8 turns are left. So here our losing of the game part is working. So once check it, X or something like Z or K or Z. Okay, now 5 turns are left. Here our body was spelled, and sorry, I have given just enter and U. Okay, 4 turns are left. Okay, and next let's give another one, something like Y or W. Okay, 3 turns are left, and Q, 2 turns are left. V, 1 turns are left. So now let's check it is running or not. O is there in our word, so that's why it have given. So K is not there, so G, no turns are left, and you lose the game. Thank you for playing the game. So the while loop had stopped. So now let's check it, the winning of the game part is working or not working. So again I had run it and enter your name, Priya. So once check it the winning part of the game, so I want to guess the word. So F or A, I mean E. Okay, R, 7 turns are left, only 7 turns how we have. Okay, I want to check something like okay, V, and I think it is a television or something like that. I, S, O or N. I want to check these letters because I think it is a television, something like that. So yes, if you want some more words you can add it. So for now I am just giving some words only. Okay, and capital T because here I have given only although small letters and capital letters in our valid letters. Okay, so television, you have won the game. Thank you for playing the game. Okay, these are the words. If you want some more words you can add it also. So this is our game. Please subscribe to my channel and like, share with your friends and family members. So this is about Hangman Game. In the next video we are going to see the new game. Thank you.